Hello everyone. The time has come for me to cover how New Year look like here in Brunei. I don't expect anything very, how to say this, extraordinary or very special thing to happen, considering like New Year here in Brunei is kind of bleak and nothing much happened. But hopefully this year can surprise me, because from what I see, there's supposed to have a drone show, but right now it's raining, so I'm not sure if it's gonna happen or not, but we'll see. Some people said there isn't firework happening, so if it's true then it's kind of disappointing, but yeah, we'll see later. So right now I'm gonna go to the entrance there. I think if you just want to go inside, it costs $3. It's a promotion, but usually it's $5. As you can see, there's quite a lot of people there queuing. Would you look at that? This is Jerudong Park for you guys. Oh, let's see. Oh, the queue is very long. I'm not sure if some people there are waiting or just queuing up. Let's check. Okay, so I come here a bit early just in case the queue get more longer, because the drone show, I believe it starts at around 11:50. So yeah, if not sure if the drone show happen or not, but we'll see, because it's like raining and I don't think anybody gonna fly when it's raining. Here's a much more closer look at the price. So I'm just going to go for the entrance fee. I think since like got discount, it's like $3. Let's go for that. I don't think even can go for the ride since it's raining, so yeah, it's pointless anyway. Just got into the entrance and I'm moving a bit further away from the music going on, because you can't hear me if I'm near to it. So yeah, it seems like the rain is slowly disappearing, and hopefully you can see the drone show. For the time being, I'm just going to show you what's inside the park. So I have a playground over here, which is kind of nice. Over here is the golf course. See, I can show you guys. So yeah, this is the golf course. Somewhat kind of dim, especially in the middle. I don't know why like some of the lights are not on. So even though it's raining, not all of the rides are closed. Only the one that is indoor that is still left open, like in front over there. I'm not sure if you guys can see because it's a bit far, but it's a bumper ride. And also this one. I'm not sure what ride is this, called Leapfrog. This is how the roller coaster look like. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's kind of small. Yeah, I ride one before. And then there's the Ferris wheel there. Usually you will see the Ferris wheel, like there's a lot of lighting going on when it isn't raining, when you're driving like past the highway. Looky, what I found. Bumper car. Yeah, it's empty because at this time it's gonna showcase the drone show, and of course it's not operating right now because yeah, it's closing already, man. Yeah, so this is the bumper car, yeah.
Okay, ada potato, ada pasta ball bian, ada keropok lekor tenggiri, ada burger kulugus. Dah hype macam anda dapat ke KL, sini sajalah. Macam tu, okay. Adakah habis kita sudah bersedia untuk menyambung? Alright, berikan tepukan untuk polis di Raja Brunei.
Yeah, it's quite a lot of fried food around here. Okay, so I'm going to head to the food court right now just to kill some time to wait for the drone show to happen. So yeah, I'm going to go inside the food court. So this is the new food court for those who don't know. And later I'm going to talk more about it. Man, when you look at this, I think like every other seat is fully occupied. There's quite a lot of people though. So fortunately it's full house over there. So I have to go to the old food court. So the reason why I mentioned that one where I entered just now is the new food court, because it wasn't like that back then. It was like some sort of open air. But because there's one incident where like it's completely burned down and they have to totally renovate. So yeah, make it like this much better, I would say. This is the old food court. Yeah, as you can see, it's like much open air. No air conditioner, but yeah, this is the place where most likely you can find spot for you to eat. Looky, there's Aicha over here. They're everywhere here in Brunei. I don't know why they have a lot of branch though. Okay.
Solo. Kalau rasa gembira tepuk tangan. Kalau rasa gembira tepuk tangan. Kalau rasa gembira kan pada saya. Semua cakap baik. Mari semua cakap baik.
Okay, the drone show is almost, and I'm not sure where it is going to be positioned at. So I'm trying to find the best spot for me to take the video. It is still raining, but it's not that heavy. Oh look, it's already 12 and the music is still playing. I expect the drone, I don't know, do the countdown. I don't know how to feel about this. I'm not sure if you guys can see, there's like firework on that particular spot only. Yeah, the rest I don't see. Just a small firework. Yeah, not that big.
Semoga semua sentiasa dalam lindungan Allah, dipanjangkan umur, murah rezeki, sehat dan sentiasa dalam lindungan Allah selalu. Amin. Masuk syurga, amin. Fulus. Itu kuat, amin tidak.
Okay, so the drone show still haven't started yet, and somehow the raining start to become a bit more heavy. So I don't know how they're gonna do it. But yeah, it's kind of disappointing that they don't really do a countdown at all. Even, yeah, I don't know what to say, man. I don't know what to say.
Pemenang seterusnya yang bakal menangi The Water Park Private Event Package jatuh kepada receipt number 707511, kupon number 005164. Ingin mohon maaf jika ada tersorok langkah, ada kekurangan atas semua event pada malam ini, dan juga ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada hadirin dan hadirat yang bersedia hadir, dan didoakan semoga bis kita mendapat year yang lebih maju dan mantap. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Dengan itu, nama saya Najib Jeffrey. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Happy New Year.
Okay, the event has ended and wow, got nothing much to say. Major disappointment. No drone show at all. Just wow, absolute appalling, I must say. I got no word for it. Might probably be the worst New Year experience so far. Yeah, the fact that there's no firework, because firework here is not allowed, can't sell. So I mean, there is firework, but it's very minimal, not that much. Even that time when I go to Kuching, when it's heavy raining, they still manage to put firework. But this one, man. I mean, I kind of understand that because it's raining and they don't want to damage the drone, but I don't know. I just need to be something to substitute, if there's no drone show. But yeah, if I have to give a rating for the whole experience, I give it a D. Really bad, really bad. And I'm just speaking it from the truth, no? So yeah, that's pretty much it for New Year here in Brunei. I mean, would you even want to come here to celebrate New Year after seeing all this? I don't know. I mean, it's up to you guys. But for me, yeah, it's a major disappointment. And yeah, it's the reason why, a lot of Bruneian even go to other countries to celebrate New Year. That's pretty much it. I wanted to show you guys, and yeah, got nothing much to say. So if you like what you see, feel free to like, share, and even comment, because I'm curious to know what's your opinion about this whole thing. Yeah, and also I wish you guys a happy New Year and a wonderful day. So goodbye.